Okay, well, I think our little guy here is done. Maybe not completely finished, but very close. There's a bit of a visual hole here, in my opinion, still. And I need to put a sort of a shape, just to make it slightly more interesting. I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to take it upstairs with me, live with it, and every now and then, as I'm walking by, I'll give it a glance, and that'll help me to decide how to finish things. But, you know, and it might require the odd other stroke too, but really, really not much. It's pretty much there. I decided to lay a bright line right across the bottom of this hill, just right against it actually. Didn't do that to start with, but I think it's really helped to intensify the strength of the distance, which is important. Our highest values and chroma of our yellow and white is here. Our highest values rather are here. And then I've tapered it off a little bit towards the end, just a little bit. Trunks are in, tree trunks, you know, I think they're presenting themselves with dignity and import, and maybe even some aplomb. Okay, maybe I'm overstating that, but they work. No direct sunlight on anything in the foreground, you know, just wanted to keep it fairly toned down. Wanted to keep this more interesting in here, this area. I think that's come together. Again, it still may need a stroke or two in the hills, we'll see. I guess that's about it. I laid a little bit more light on the foliage on the trees, but not much. Warmed up the greens here, but kept the values low. I liked repeating the purple in the foreground. I think that helps the painting hang together a little bit. Okay, let me just back up here. I just don't edit. That's why you hear all the squeaks, the grunts, the groans, and the changing of the camera. So, here we've come to the official taking down of the painting. And on the reinstallment of another canvas. On to the next one. I have a plan to go out with my biking buddy. And when I say biking, we don't ride around on the streets, we go off in the bush. Which, frankly, I'll take that any day over riding around in town. So I'll probably go out on our motorcycles and play on Saturday. So I wanted to get this going a little bit. So I'll think about it for now as to what the content's going to be. And next video we'll put some charcoal on there. Thanks for watching.